to my channel. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Your Vyroko channel. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be preparing fresh fish banga, in which I'm going to be using the ingredients. This is the banga. It's the one that you get in the supermarket. So for we that we are living outside Africa, outside Nigeria, okay. So this is the banga that I have already opened it. It was in the freezer, okay. And this is the fresh fish I'm using. I'm using the catfish, and I'm using these ingredients here, in which I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm coming. So I'll be using the dry peppers, crayfish. You'll be using your seasoning, banga spice, the banga ibilitiatien, we call it in my place, the banga leaves, salt, and I'll be using some shrimps. Yes, because it's the fresh fish banga, so I'm going to be using shrimps. It's optional. If you don't want to use shrimps, you can do without your shrimps. I'm going to be using the banga in the native pot. I have my water, a little bit of water boiling. So right now I will be adding the banga in here. I'll put some banga here, the native pot, while I go and blend my pepper. So I'm not going to add all because I have plenty stuff here. So this is the banga. I'm going to be putting some here, like so. Okay guys, I will now go on to blend my pepper. I want to blend my pepper and crayfish. I'll get back. Meanwhile, I will leave this one to boil for some time, guys. When I finish blending the pepper and the crayfish, I'll add it to it. I'm coming. Okay, be adding some tomatoes to it. I'll add some tomatoes to the onions and crayfish. So this is the mixture of the tomatoes, crayfish and pepper I have blended. Okay. I'm going to be adding the banga spice, ibilitiatien, which is the banga leaves, typical native banga leaves. It's called the ibilitiatien in my place. If you go to any food store, African store, I'm talking about those that are in diaspora, you will get it. Yes, you will get it to buy. So you're going to mix all the spices in here. I will be adding my fish later, because since it's fresh fish, guys, just allow this to simmer properly, and then I'll come back to add the fish. I'm going to be adding seasoning, because if it's fish, it's better to add seasoning and stir properly first before you add your fish, because I don't want my fish to crumble. So add the seasoning, add salt to taste, but I have to be careful. I don't want to. So I'm adding my shrimps now. This is the shrimps. I'm going to add it. There's water inside because The shrimps was in the freezer, so I'm going to do it like so because I don't need the water. This one is because it's defrosting. So we're going to add our almighty fish, catfish. Add it inside the soup. Yes guys, yes guys. I'm using this native pot because it is more delicious in the native African native pot. This banga is amazing, so I thought to share this with you guys. This is the pot, kind of pot we use in the villages, but we here in diaspora, I use it because I love to feel the taste of the village, you know, the banga that we prepare back home in the village. So I have added my fish. I pray it does not pour away. I'm going to allow this fish to cook for some time. I'll cover it now and wait for some time for the fish to cook. I'll get back with you guys. Okay, let's cover it. I'm not going to cover it completely because I'm scared of. I pray it does not pour. I'll cover it. I'll be back, guys. So guys, I'm going to be testing for salt. So you can see it has been going on for over 30 minutes, guys. Let me test. This perfect, guys. I don't need to put salt. So I've actually finished cooking. I'm going to put it in my native pot. This is what I'm going to use to serve. So I want to show you guys. It is really very, very. The soup is much. If you are coming to this channel for the first time today and you love what you are seeing, please subscribe to this channel. This recipe is from my place. It is from Vyroko in Delta area. This is how we present our food. So I have come to the end of today's video. Another recipe, banga with catfish, fresh fish. Okay guys, from me to you, remain blessed till I come your way again. Thank you. Bye.